7 easy ways you can tell for yourself that the Earth is not flat. Humanity has known Earth is round for a few millennia, and I've been meaning to show more methods that prove the world is not flat. You don't need to denounce all science and knowledge and believe in a kooky conspiracy theory to enjoy some historical factoids about humanity's quest for space. Is not flat. On we go, to the top 7 ways to know the Earth is unequivocally, absolutely, positively, 100% not flat. Number 1, the Moon. Now that humanity knows quite positively that the Moon is not a piece of cheese or a playful god, the phenomena that accompany it, from its monthly cycles to lunar eclipses, are well explained. Aristotle noticed that during lunar eclipses, when the Earth's orbit places it directly between the Sun and the Moon, creating a shadow in the process, the shadow on the Moon's surface is round. This shadow is the planet's, and it's a great clue about the spherical shape of the Earth. You can see Earth's shadow crossing the face of the Moon, and the shadow's shape is curved because Earth is spherical. Number 2, varying star constellations. This observation was originally made by Aristotle, who declared the Earth was round judging from the different constellations one sees while moving away from the equator. After returning from a trip to Egypt, Aristotle noted, there are stars seen in Egypt and Cyprus which are not seen in the northerly regions. This would not have happened if the world was flat. Number 3, shadows and sticks. If you stick a stick in the sticky ground, it will produce a shadow. The shadow moves as time passes, which is the principle for ancient shadow clocks. If the Earth were flat, the resulting shadows would be the same length, no matter how far apart you place the sticks.
Because the Earth is round, sticks placed at distant locations will throw shadows of different lengths. Number 4, seeing farther from higher. The higher up you climb, the farther you will see. Usually, we tend to relate this to earthly obstacles, like the fact we have houses or other trees obstructing our vision on the ground, and climbing upwards we have a clear view. But that's not the true reason. Even if you stood on a completely clear plateau with no obstacles between you and the horizon, you would see much farther from the greater height than you would on the ground. This phenomenon is caused by the curvature of the Earth as well, and would not happen if the Earth was flat. On a flat Earth, elevation doesn't make a difference. Number 5, look at other planets. All of our observations show that other planets are spherical, and since we know how they're created, it's also obvious why they take this shape. Unless we have a very good reason to think otherwise, which we don't, our planet is very likely the same. A flat planet, ours or any other planet, would be such an incredible observation that it would pretty much go against everything we know about how planets form and behave. In short, we don't just suspect that our planet is spherical, we know it. Number 6, images from space. In the past 60 years of space exploration, we've launched satellites, probes, and people into space. In all of these photos, the Earth is, wait for it, spherical. The curvature of the Earth is also visible in the many photos snapped by astronauts aboard the International Space Station. Like and subscribe for more.